What's up everybody, Larissa Shanti here. This is Shanti Moves. And I just wanted to pop on here really quick to let y'all know that I'm gonna be releasing a new series called the 12 Days of Breathing Through the Holidays. It's gonna start on the 1st of December and be released every other day up until the 24th of December. And what this is gonna be some short instructional videos on different breathing practices, also known as Pranayama, that we can kind of implement either into our yoga practice or just into our daily life. If you're not aware already, the breath is a super powerful tool. It can help ground us, it can help reduce anxiety, it can help us sleep, it can help us relax, it can help boost our energy. There's so many different ways that we can use the breath to our advantage and to kind of just help with whatever is happening to us in our lives. So these are going to be 12 different pranayams that I use in my daily life and have been so helpful to me, and I hope they can be helpful to you as well. So if you're interested, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you on the mat.